have a error on Valorant VAN9003, okay, we're going to solve this problem, okay, step by step, okay. The first step for solve this problem, okay, it's you go to the point exe, okay, in your desktop, and right click, okay, and you go to the okay, here ubication, okay, and here you go to the Riot client service, okay, and right click, and you go to the properties, okay, and here in the properties you go to the option of compatibility, okay, and you go to the first option, okay, and you select, okay, Windows 8, okay, and you applicate and accept, okay, and you go here, okay, and you go to the BIOS, okay, with the F20, okay, you go to the BIOS of your PC and you enable, okay, the option security boost, okay. Bye bye.